Hey there, welcome back to my channel, Messes with Michelle. Today's video is jam-packed with lots of cleaning motivation. I'm actually jumping in right away and I'm tackling my lady lounge, I like to call it, or other people may call it their she cave. This is just one of our spare bedrooms upstairs, and I made it into a small TV area where I like to kick back and relax, watch TV, hang out with the dogs, and play some Nintendo Mini. I'm also going to be tackling cleaning my master bedroom as well as my ensuite in this video. If you're new to my channel or you've been to my channel and haven't hit that subscribe button, make sure you consider doing so because I'd love to take you on my messy journey because my channel is dedicated to DIYs, how-to videos, and lots of cleaning motivation. For those who might be curious, yes, this is my lady lounge, but Bobby does store his guitars in here, so these definitely are not mine. I am not musically inclined like he is. I'm really excited to let you know that in the next few weeks, I'm planning on doing a full makeover of this space. I'm just finalizing a few of the decor details and what I'm going to do on the walls. So definitely keep your eyes peeled for that video because I'm so excited to share with you the transformation because this space, I absolutely love it, but I also love the fact that I can transform into anything that I want because it's such a blank canvas at the moment. So be sure to stay tuned for that. So now I'm moving on to my master bedroom as well as my master bathroom suite that I'll be cleaning a little bit later in this video. If you missed my video about testing cleaning gadgets, I'll link it above, and I bought this blind cleaner from Amazon and I think it works great and definitely speeds up the process when you want to clean your blinds. As I was cleaning the fan blades, it was snowing dust everywhere. I could not believe how much dust was on the blades. I can't remember the last time I cleaned them, but it's been quite a while. So unfortunately it went all over the bed as well as my comforter, so I just have to quickly clean that off. Now I'm moving on and cleaning my master bathroom ensuite, and if it's on my top 3 of areas of my least favorite to clean, I think this almost tops the list. So you just saw me cleaning off my toothbrush holder and it's ceramic base, and I don't know how to get off the toothpaste stains. I've tried CLR, I tried soaking it in warm water, and those stains will not come off. They're so stubborn. So if you have any tips, definitely leave them in the comments because I'd love to hear them. I'm using a homemade solution of vinegar and water to clean off my countertops, and a little bit later you'll see me cleaning my mirrors, and I also mixed up a solution of dish soap, vinegar, and water to clean my mirrors, and it works great and it doesn't leave any streaks. Here's a shot of the inside of my shower stall, and there's some pink stains that is from the water, so I just have to use CLR to remove them. And I like using CLR because it's more eco-friendly and it's biodegradable, so if I am using a cleaner, I like to use one that is not as harsh as others that I have in the past, and I know that it's better for the environment. I cheated just a bit and I'm just vacuuming out my soaker tub. I didn't actually need to clean it because I hardly take any baths, so I just had to suck up any hair that was left behind and do a quick dusting around the area. I'm using my Dirt Double Versa Steam in my bathroom, and I love using my steamer because it's so hot and it's just great to sanitize your floors just using water. For those who might be wondering, I did clean my toilet, but I decided to do it off camera. Not something that I like to show, but definitely had to clean it. I did a thorough cleaning so it's nice and sparkling and ready for the next use. So here's a shot of our bedroom, and everything is nice and clean. Duke's lounging out on the nicely vacuumed floor. So here's a shot of the bed. Bobby's mom actually made this quilt by hand, and it's beautiful and it's absolutely perfect for the summer months. I just have to find some linens that match the colors of the quilt. Here's a shot of my master bathroom. I feel so accomplished every single time I clean this space. I just love admiring how fresh and clean it looks. I hope this video helped kick up your motivation a few notches and you can go out and tackle those messes that you have around your house. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video. And for anyone who's new, just a reminder, I upload my videos every Sunday at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So until then, I will see you next Sunday.